Upgraded Manicure Set. 8-in-1 professional manicure kit for facial care, hand care, foot care. No need to pay for a single nail clipper, money can be saved. High-quality stainless steel. The nail clippers are all made of high-quality surgical steel, can be safely sterilized, prevent corrosion, and minimize the risk of infection, also makes the nail care kit sturdy and durable. Non-slip handle design. Ergonomic design, medical-grade stainless steel, not easy to fall off, very easy to trim hard and thick nails, provide a comfortable and relaxing nursing life, easy to grasp, and reduce fatigue. Lightweight portable. The nail clipper set comes with a portable leather travel case, beautiful, lightweight, durable, easy to store and carry, perfect for traveling and daily life. Perfect nail care gift. Best personal nail care kit, manicuring, pedicuring, eyebrow shaping, exfoliating. This is an amazing gift for your friends, family, lover. Top reviews from the United States. Nice. Compact. Good. Like the case that actually is my favorite color combination. Like the size of this set that is easy to take anywhere. Didn't used all tools in it, but the file doesn't file that good. Is the only no I found. But is not even enough to give less than the 5 stars.